Hi, Kurt Allen here. I am the new area director with the Indianapolis Central Indiana region, and down here in Tampa with the National BNI Conference. Great conference, a lot of stuff learned, almost to the point of being overloaded, so I can't wait to digest it and explain everything. But probably one of the biggest things I got is some really cool stuff that other areas are doing is roundtables, where like presidents from all of the chapters get together and talk about some great things that are happening in their chapters, some things they're struggling with, and how to work it out and make things better for their chapters. So it seems to be a phenomenon that's happening, and it's a great buzzword they're talking about down here about how to get the leadership teams together to work things out between chapters, because if it's happening in one chapter, it's probably happening in another, or there's a success in one. Let's share it with another. And so they're talking one-to-one versus the area director or director consultant coming in and passing on the information. So it's better to learn from somebody that's doing the same job that you are versus somebody else that's doing it. So that's probably my biggest takeaway that I look forward to bringing back to Indianapolis and helping us grow and be a very successful region where our members make a lot of money but yet have a lot of fun.